everybody. What are we taking a look at today? Well, first, I appreciate you liking and subscribing to our channel. Helps us keep the lights on here and it's very important to us. So thank you for all of your support. Well, today I'm going into something that I don't typically trade that much. That shiny object that nobody's talking about. That's right, gold. Let's take a look at gold. Look at gold over the last, I don't know, well, really since the market lows in April, March, the gold has done absolutely nothing. Caught a little bit of a bid and promptly sold off back down to this 415 number. GLD has a good IV rank of 29, not great, but good. And the markets are okay, not great either. But I'm going to put on a trade that gets me a break even below this 400-ish level that gold seems to go to. Another interesting thing on gold is it has an IV that's relatively high of 29, but a correlation to the market that's the same as Apple. It's got a 0.31 correlation. I believe Apple's like 0.35. So gold and Apple have the same correlation to the market, yet Apple's near all-time highs and gold with the market, and gold is nowhere near that. I think gold's going to catch a little bit of a bid. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going shorter dated, 27 days. Typically, we go out to July with 56 days right now, but I want a little bit more bang for my buck. I'm going to go and stay in June. I'm going to buy one of the 403 puts. Now you say buying a put, that's a bearish strategy, and you would be right. It's got 29 short deltas, and I want to be long. Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell two of the 395 puts. Those two 395 puts with 20 deltas apiece are going to give me a net long 10 deltas on this trade. As a matter of fact, those 10 long deltas are going to give me a break even that's down below a one standard deviation, 385-ish number in GLD, which GLD has not seen since prior to the March, April lows in the market and GLD. This trade has an 87% pop. It's got a good probability of profit. So there's a nice window of profit in between 403 and 395. That means my max profit is close to $900 on this trade. Now, I did it at $112 credit. That's 112, trading now at 98 cents because gold was down closer to $3 when I put on this trade. And you can see all these trades on the follow page. If you go to the follow page, click I agree, and then go to bat option trades. You'll see there's that gold trade. Gold was trading down at 113.96, just about $1 low, as I said, 86% pop, and I got filled at $112. I put on a little description here, shorter dated, 27 days, 1/2, bullish ratio spread. It's actually an omnidirectional trade because if the stock goes higher, anywhere higher, I don't lose money. I make the $112. But if it does get a little bit softer and it does have a 60% chance of a touch, I'm going to change this in the money to chance of a touch here. And if I look for that, we go up here. You got mid-price delta, Vega, option. You got all these different things. There's your percentage of touch. 60% chance of a touch of my long option, only a 40% chance of a touch of my short option, and a 25% chance that I lose any money on this trade. To me, this is the type of trade that you need to put on in gold.